English with Shruti. I'm back again with cracking IELTS in 30 days and today we are at day 6. Today we are going to discuss about listening. But before attempting the list, we need to discuss what exactly IELTS listening demands from us. There are two modes to deliver the exam, which are PDT and CDT. As I said in my earlier videos, PDT refers to paper delivered test and CDT refers to computer delivered test. Let me tell you, the examination happens for paper delivered in 30 minutes for the audio and 10 minutes to transfer your answers. In computer delivered test, you will again be having 30 minutes to listen to the audio and 2 minutes to review your answer, because you will be filling the answers side by side. Apart from that, there are so many things we need to discuss in IELTS listening section. Particularly, let's start from being accent friendly to skills assessed and finally the time management. Let's learn it together. When it comes to becoming accent friendly, it is actually a struggling question in everyone's mind that how we can adapt the accent. Mostly in IELTS examination, you are going to see all these accents present in the exam. However, UK accent is the most famous one. Now, when it comes to becoming accent friendly, you can utilize 3 techniques, which are using the transcript along with the listening audio. You can go with the BBC Learning English app for a 6-minute learning English. You can listen to the audios which actually feel similar to what you are listening in the IELTS examination. Next is general podcasts, and that are actually helpful in making you adapt the accent. Friendly obviously takes a lot of time, consistent practice and listening to the same set of questions or typical themes time and again. Also, while listening and using the transcript, make sure your eyes are gazing upon the spellings as well, the pauses on the commas or the other punctuation marks as well. I hope it helped. We talk about the skills assessed in IELTS listening. Typically, it starts with the ability to follow the conversation. Very often people say that I'm able to understand the conversation, but are you able to remember all the steps of that conversation? That is where we lack, and this ability to follow the conversation means that you're able to understand each and every dialogue of the conversation. Next is following the narrative or monologue. Quite often monologues are really difficult to understand and eventually difficult to follow. So developing the capacity to following the narrative means to keenly observe and listen to each and every single word that has been spoken is very crucial. Apart from that, comprehend or retain factual details. Obviously, retaining the factual details are extremely important. Otherwise, how would you be attempting the answers? Definitely, the comprehension plays a greater role when you're listening to any kind of concept in section 1 to section 4. It is really necessary that you understand the gist of that. Next is ability to draw conclusions. Very crucial when it comes to part 3 and part 4. Typically section 4, I would say, where you really need to understand the single monologue happening over there and understanding the concept, applying the knowledge, retaining all the factual details, and then exactly putting out your conclusions in the form of answers. I hope it helps. Move further with the time management skill. Often students say that, oops, I missed that blank, and due to that I missed 3 more blanks. I wasn't able to understand that particular point and eventually other questions suffered. That happens only when you are unable to manage your time properly. However, I would not deny this fact that in listening you have a lot of pressure on your mind that you need to listen to each and every word. Apart from that, how time can be managed effectively. The pauses are there to give you a little breather, and also you can scan your information given on the sheet or the question paper prior. Section beginning, you will be having certain time or certain minutes to go through the section. Make sure that you're using every single second of that and you're marking the keywords. Keywords plays a very crucial role in all the modules of IELTS. Why exactly? What are these and how it can help you in managing your time and eventually landing you on the correct answers? Typically, I will be explaining all the details of all the sections in my upcoming video. So stay tuned to English with Shruti. Like, comment, share and subscribe. All the best.